to go.
Ciao a tutti, welcome back everybody. Today we're gonna do some granola, an easy, healthy and tasty way to start the day. So, for this recipe we will need 150 g of honey, 300 g of oats, 200 g of nuts and dry fruit, and I use some walnuts, cashew, macadamia, goji berry, but anyway, you can add whatever you like. First of all, let's take the honey and melt it down in a pan. When our honey is gonna be melted, we can add our oats and our dry fruits. When everything is mixed together, let's add some salt. Why the salt? Because the salt is gonna keep our mix dry and crunchy. When all our ingredients are well toasted together, let's put our mix in a tray. So let's put our mix in a tray with parchment paper. After we spread our mix in a tray, let's put it in the oven for 15-20 minutes at 170 degrees. While it's baking, don't forget to stir our mix time to time, so it's gonna get all golden. Don't worry if it's still soft. When it's gonna get cold, it's gonna become crunchy. So, as you can see, now that we get colder, it becomes crunchy, so we can put it away in a tupper, or we can add some chocolate chips, some dry fruits, or whatever you like. So when it's ready, we can add to our yogurt or milk and eat it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give us a
thumbs up
and subscribe to my channel.